Guys, I also want to say congratulations to Miss Aaliyah. She have a Barbie doll. It looks just like her, and I want to say that I love me some Aaliyah, and I want to say congratulations. It sold out, I think, in the first 30 minutes or an hour. I might be wrong. You guys can correct me, but I'm so proud of Aaliyah being recognized and still being around over the years. Aaliyah, I love you. I miss you. And I know you are with us in spirit. And, I am just honored to just enjoy your music, enjoyed everything you did in your short period of time. And I want to say thank you. And you inspired me in so many ways. So I'm so excited. Let me go before I start crying. Um, Thank you guys. And I hope you guys feel inspired as well. And let's get into my introduction of the video. Hello transformation, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to do a reaction to elf makeup looks and also elf new products that they do have out that you guys are not familiar with. So if you haven't already, please subscribe, hit that like button, and yes, so let's get into the video. I don't know if I can play the music on here, but I will play a different music. So they are showing elf new, like a berry lip liner and their shimmer lip gloss. Very pretty. I love it. Their new lip line.
We're all familiar with the elf Halo Glow, right? Well, now they have a Halo Glow pressed powder, and it is the perfect combination. It comes with a powder puff for application, but you can definitely use a brush if you want a less concentrated finish. Now, this is me showing you it in real time, just how easy it melts and blends into the skin and how blurring it is. I'm using the shade Tan Neutral Warm all over my face and Medium Warm underneath my eyes. It created this beautiful soft focus blur on my skin while not being drying, because it's actually infused with hyaluronic acid. It keeps the skin nice and hydrated, and if you have oily skin like me, this powder is a must-have to reduce the shine while keeping your skin looking healthy. Elf absolutely smashed it with this product.
Beautiful. I need to try that, see if that really works. I love that primer grip. I have tried that. Okay, can't play that.
Y'all, I did not know what to expect with this, but this has the exact same consistency as the Power Grip primers, but the dry down is, of course, a matte finish. Even though it's matte, it has that grip to it. My makeup applied so beautifully with this primer.
Beautiful.
You love a matte finish to your makeup, this is going to be your new favorite primer. Introducing the new Power Grip Matte Primer. This primer gives you the effect of smooth, matte skin. And of course, it has all that stick and tack that you love about the Power Grip family. You can get the new Power Grip Matte Primer for an LMG value of only $10.
Cute. I love it. Okay, the bronzer drip. Now I do want to try that because that looked like, oh, beautiful. I love the shimmer. That actually, like, it really shows really good. Ooh. That's pretty.
Elf came out with a brand new lip oil in Crystal Baller. This is a part of their Quad Goals lip oil kit, which has 3 of their best-selling shades: Pink Quartz, Rose Envy, Jam Session, plus the new color in Crystal Baller. Let's try it. It looks so gorgeous. Has that same minty smell, and I love the big applicator.
Oh, wow.
Oh, yeah. Not sticky. It doesn't feel gritty either. And the more that you add, the more of that finish you're gonna get. This color is perfection.
Looks good. Wow, I love it. I know that was Elf new line that they have so far. I love the bronzer and the burst drops. I'm gonna go Google and see how much that is. I love how the bronzer and the burst drops combined together. It was like nice glittery look. That's actually like a nice glow, like a radiant glow tutorial. I would love to do that. Elf, I gotta come back to you. It's been a minute. I got to. So you guys, tell me what was your favorite part of the video? Like, what did you like? Did you guys like the new lip gloss that they have? They have on sale for $32. Will come with 4 inside, so they charge $8 a piece. But I love Elf. Or do you guys love their new primer? They matte primer. I definitely need to try that. Or they bronzer and burst drops. You guys comment down below. Tell me which was your favorite part, and are you willing to go check it out and buy it? But I had a great time doing that reaction video. So that's what they have new so far. We will do a part 2, hopefully very soon in the future. But if you guys have any recommendations of other beauty brands that I'm not familiar with, or transformation not familiar with, please let me know. Please comment down below. Please don't leave it blank. And let me know which makeup brands are, I guess, that's in. So we already did Sephora, Rare Beauty. Now it's Elf. So I'm very excited. So if you guys haven't already, don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Ciao.